Hey everyone, Brittany here. I'm going to walk you through a little sneak peek behind what is inside the Vault basic plan. All right, so when you get inside, this is what you have access to. This is what it looks like. This is built inside Systemio. So if you already have a Systemio account, you'll want to use that same account to sign up for the Vault because it'll be just make your life easier when you are going to get inside the Vault and start creating. So I want to talk about three main portions of the Vault that really set us apart and stand out compared to any other offer that is out there. So, when you first get inside, you're going to be able to read through all of the terms and conditions, a licensing agreement, all of that fun stuff. Everything inside is either coming with MRR, which is master resale rights, or PLR. So, if you're not familiar with those terms, you can just simply read through everything. The Systemio funnels specifically are all PLR, meaning you do need to make some modifications before you can resell, but it's super simple to do. All right, so that is the fun part. We also have an entire Vault product creation request form. So we want to hear from you. We want to know what you want to see brought to life. If you have an example or a collection or a digital product or anything you want us to create, Ness and I can do that. We want to hear from you, so submit your request right here. After you're inside, you can jump into the Vault, which has social media templates, marketing templates, ebooks, masterclasses, mid-journey prompts, images and mockups, the creative entrepreneurship collection, the digital detox collection. Guys, we have so many products in here. We teach you how to generate your own template links so you can go off and start selling. We even give you a lot of the verbiage as to what to say when you're selling these collections, what's inside, what's all available. And there's so many amazing ebooks in here, you guys. And the best part is these are a one-click download into your account. So you simply click and it's going to take you to the template and allow you to start customizing. So simple and so easy. Let's jump back in here. The second portion of our amazing Vault is the Systemio Funnel Crash Course, which is its own course that you can sell with MRR. And we walk you through how to use System, why it's so amazing, how to set up funnels, how to sell your digital products using Systemio, all of it in here for you. And we give you the funnel used to start selling the course as well. This alone, guys, sells for $222. So you're getting all of this inside the Vault Basic Plan for just $39. Insane. The next part is all of my Systemio funnels that I have built out. I have sales pages, we have order forms, we have link in bios. So if you're looking for a fabulous link in bio and you are not sure how to create this, so simple, one click import into your account. And this is exactly what they look like here. So good. And in the Systemio Funnel Crash Course, we are going to teach you how to use one of these and set it up so you can begin hosting all of your offers and getting them ready to sell. The next part is going to be different funnels in here in Systemio. So we have lots of different ones rather than just a one-page link in bio. If you want to have a full-on website, we show you how you can have a website that looks literally exactly like this in the click of a button. So simple, so easy. And then you take the funnel crash course and you learn how to set it all up. We also have larger websites. So these would be more of the 14 pages where you're going to host multiple different offers. So if you have this one actually hosts up to 4 to 6 products. So if you have products, you just put them right on in here and you can start selling. So the 14-page funnels are going to come with that. And then we have mega funnels, which are fully loaded with digital products, allowing you to start reselling so simply. So take in mind, you do have to upgrade your Systemio account in order to use these larger funnels. So if you are on the free plan, you can use any of the Systemio funnels up to 14 pages. If you are wanting to upgrade your plan, you definitely can if you want to have all of these amazing products ready to be sold, then you definitely can do that. You do need to upgrade your account is the only thing, but still a very low price for everything you're able to sell with this. And the third part of this incredible, incredible vault is MRR Course Seller Vault. So what's inside here is you guys are going to be able to see if you are selling currently any of these courses over here. You can see how we have funnels that you can use. We have lead magnets, email campaigns, story slides, Pinterest pins, you name it. We have literally done the work for you. And once again, these are templates that you can use to learn what to talk about when you're selling these products. So if you already have the course, we do not offer the course inside the vault. I want to be very clear about that. You do have to have this course in order for these to really matter to you. But we do give you these incredible, beautiful one-click import. This would be your funnel that you would use to be able to sell the course. So you can learn about what's inside, how to market this, and everything is done for you. So we give you all of the goodies about these courses, and it's so simple for you guys. And this was a huge, huge reason that I even started my business in the first place. I had created a roadmap funnel and people went crazy for it, asking me if they could have it. And so, of course, being a digital reseller person, I thought, why not make these available for everyone that's selling these courses to be able to represent themselves in a very professional way and really sell these courses at a different level. And once I started creating all of these amazing marketing materials, I thought, hey, other people will probably find this very useful and helpful as well. So this is great if you guys are selling any of these courses. We are always taking requests as well. I know that we don't have all of the MRR courses in here, but if you submit a request, we will absolutely add it. But this right here is so impactful. We want to see you succeed. So everything that you're going to see inside the vault is made for you to literally skyrocket your business, no matter what it is that you are selling. Okay. So we have tons of amazing things in here, lots of amazing marketing materials, as well as the viral Instagram strategy, because this right here, if you're wanting to run ads at all, I tell everyone about this. It's so good. You can see the results for yourself. Ness put this all together, and it is absolutely simple and effective for you to start driving some crazy engagement to your Instagram account. So if you are wanting to get started with ads, but maybe don't have your business quite to where you want it to be able to really pour a lot of money into ads, and you're maybe struggling with traffic and engagement, this is an amazing tool for you. And once again, this product on its own sold for way more than the vault is worth. So you guys can imagine the amount of incredible, incredible products in here. And once again, this is over $25,000 worth of digital products. You guys, we have been selling these products for months and months and have done incredible numbers in our own businesses. And it is our goal, mine and Ness, to really watch you guys succeed and take this to the next level. We are focused 100% on selling the vault and getting you guys in here. We are not going to be competing with you by selling these products anymore. So get inside of here. Take advantage of all of these incredible products that are just waiting for you to click and import them into your account and start selling. So if you guys have any questions, Ness and I are always super happy to hear any questions you have and make the vault better in any way you think. Any products you need, we're here to help. So get inside while the price is still low and start selling today.